Hello students. So let's continue with the MCQs. The first MCQ is, what is the cause of dispersion of light by prism? See students, if your concepts are clear, you should not have any difficulty in answering or choosing the options related to the topic dispersion of light by prism. Now, dispersion of light is a very important topic. It is a very important topic from the exam point of view. According to me, you can get a case study which will be based on dispersion of light, or few MCQs which will be based on dispersion of light by prism. So hope you have watched the videos which explains the dispersion of light by prism and your concepts are clear. Now, in this case, what is the cause of dispersion of light by prism? There are 4 statements given. Different colors move with different speed in the prism. Emergent ray bend to different extent towards the base of prism. Different colors move with same speed in the prism but cover different distances. Emergent ray bend to different extent away from the base of prism. And if the concepts are clear, you know that out of the 4 options, now there are 4 options given, A, B, C, D. In each option, either one sentence or 2 sentences are chosen to be correct. So you have to choose the correct statements first to choose the correct option. Now first is, different colors move with different speed in the prism. Definitely, this is a cause for dispersion of light by prism. Second statement is, emergent ray bend to different extent towards the base of prism. We know that as different colors have different speed, so the bending will be different for each color when light enters into prism, which results in dispersion, and so the bending will be different for emergent ray also. And we know that twice the refraction takes place when light enters into the prism, and in both the cases the bending is towards the base of prism. So second statement is also correct. Emergent ray bend to different extent towards the base of prism. Third statement, different colors move with same speed in the prism but cover different distances. This is wrong because different colors move with different speed, not same speed in the prism. Last sentence, emergent ray bend to different extent away from the base of prism. This is again wrong as the bending is towards the base of prism. Although when I found the first and second statements to be correct, out of the 4 options, we know that B is correct. Still, I wanted to go through each statement just to make you clear why the statement is wrong and which statement is wrong or which statement is correct. So here only first and second statements are correct. So B is the correct option. Now the next question is, which of the following colors with A, B, C and D has more speed, or we can say maximum speed in the prism? Now looking at the diagram, we see that ray of white light is incident on a prism and the splitting is shown here. Here they have shown splitting only into 4 colors. We know in reality it is splitting of white light into 7 colors. So the emergent rays are labeled as A, B, C, D in this case. You have to choose which color has maximum speed in the prism. We know that the surrounding medium, if it is not mentioned, we'll consider it to be air, and prism is made up of glass, we'll assume that. So when ray of light enters from air into glass in the prism, then in this case dispersion takes place because different colors have different speed in glass, and we know that this takes place because change in speed of light. And in air, all colors travel with same speed and the speed is maximum in air compared to all other media excluding vacuum. So it means the speed of light decreases and the bending is least for color A. So this decrease is minimum for A color. It means A color has maximum speed in the prism. So A is the correct option. Now the last MCQ is, which color of white light suffers least deviation when a beam of white light is passed through the prism? We know that when white light passes through a prism, dispersion takes place, a spectrum of 7 colors is formed on the other side of the prism if we place a screen. Now, in the spectrum, red color lies at the top and violet at the bottommost. Violet is the bottommost color and topmost is we have red. So, red color bends the least, and we know that red color has maximum speed in glass prism, so it suffers least deviation. Okay, so B is the correct option. Hope the MCQs are clear, students. So we'll continue with MCQs in the next video. Goodbye, students.